Un dernier yon, je glisse gentiment, je glisse gentiment, je glisse gentiment.
Shout time, baby. Yo, good morning. Yeah, it's early for me, but y'all just saw in the background that rig glass has been replaced. Again, shout out to my boy Scott, aka Dope MK6 Sport Wagon, here on YouTube. If you're in the Chicagoland area, need a piece of auto glass, I highly recommend that, man. I checked, no leaks. It's raining outside. It's been raining for a while. Open the trunk, it's bone dry. I was too happy to hear, because I just knew in the back of my head I probably had a little bit leak or something like that. They had a little water, but then again, I didn't have the rear glass in, so that water was coming in through the glass. Not my repair. Yeah, the repair is pretty much done. I just got a not spot glaze, but put another coat of Bondo on it, spot glaze, then I can paint it. But these panels, they're coming out. That back seat is coming out. Y'all stay tuned. A lot more to come. Here it is. I mean, it ain't 100%. It's not the best fix in the world, but it's great for me. Yeah, I just gotta hit it with some body glue. I gotta do a little bit more sanding. Well, not really here, but in this area right here, I believe, and right up in here, maybe. And then I'm gonna hit it with some body filler and be ready for paint. It's not the best here. It's a little bit down, but it's okay. And I'm thinking it might be this trunk, because this trunk came off of a crash car. I didn't see the car. They told me the trunk was actually repaired, and I could tell that I could see some burn marks from where they tried to heat it up or whatever, but I think this trunk is actually warped, because this side right here was perfect with the old trunk. Even though it got hit down, I made sure that, you know, this was right here was even because of the window. I had to have this perfect for the window. And if you look right here versus over here, the gaps is pretty much the same. I actually pulled numbers too, because I know the bottom of my deck was straight, and I pulled a number from this side for a reference, and then tried to duplicate it over here. And I mean, I'm happy though. That's the tail light that's in there versus this one over here. Kind of see the fitment of it. And the coolest thing, I have no water in the trunk, so I'm happy. I just gotta go and clean it out, and then oh, that door is locked. But yeah, everything back here is coming out. Yeah, it is a mess, but kind of, sort of. It's just, but yeah, man, I can't wait. I'm really happy, excited. I'm gonna go and buy some lumber probably this weekend. Take everything out, start measuring, see how much cubic feet I have to work with, and then just start designing. Playing with it, and making it happen.
Oh yeah. Damn, I'm feeling so true.
And oh yeah, I really appreciate y'all too, man. I can't wait to base with y'all. The hobby itself is fun, man, but the community makes it even better. So, man, I hope y'all, you know, just enjoy these little tidbits, these little updates or whatever. And I'm curious to know what y'all have going on. Leave it in the comments, man. If I haven't been on your page, we haven't been rapping, man, I would love to know what you up to for the summer, man. What you up to? And I'm looking forward to seeing all of you. Oh, damn. You